Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello, good morning students. In the previous video, I hope you all have understood about naming words. What is naming word? Naming words are nouns. Everything around us has a name such as people, places, animals and things. All these naming words are called nouns. Let's get started. Look at these pictures and write the names of what you see in the pictures. Now see the first picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a car. Car is a thing. So we have to write the spelling of a car, C-A-R, car, in the column of things. Now see the second picture. Recognize which picture is this. Yes, this is the picture of a school. Everyone know you all are missing your school. Yes, I am also missing the school. Okay, now come to the point. School. School is a place. So we have to write the spelling of SCHOOL, school, in the column of places. See the third picture. This is a boy. Boy comes in category of person. So we have to write the spelling of a boy, BOY, in the column of people. Now see the fourth picture. So cute. It is an animal. Which animal is this? Yes, it is a cat. So we have to write the spelling of a cat, C-A-T, cat, in the column of animals. See the fifth picture. It is a bag. Whose bag is this? Nobody's? Okay. Bag is a thing. So we have to write the spelling of bag, B-A-G, bag, in the column of things. Let's see this picture. Which picture is this? Yes, it is a park. Park एक जगह का नाम है. So we have to write the spelling of park, P-A-R-K, park, in the column of things. Now see 7 number. Which animal is this? This is an elephant. ये एक जानवर है, इसलिए हम इस शब्द को जानवर यानी एनिमल के कॉलम में लिखेंगे. ELEPHANT, elephant. Now see, he is a doctor. Doctor is a person. So write the spelling of a doctor, 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 in the column of people. Now come to the last picture. What is she doing? Yes, she is teaching us. Who is she? She is a teacher, and teacher is a person. So we have to write the spelling of a teacher, TEACHER, in the column of people. Now see A exercise. Underline the naming words in the sentences. वाक्यों में नामकरण शब्दों को रेखांकित करें. Number 1. The taxi is waiting outside the house. टैक्सी घर के बाहर इंतज़ार कर रही है. The taxi is waiting outside the house. इस वाक्य में टैक्सी और house नेमिंग वर्ड हैं. Because you all know noun is the name of a person, place, animal and things. So See this sentence here. Taxi and house are naming words because taxi is a thing and house is a place. So we have underlined these both words. Now see number 2. I eat jam and bread for breakfast. मैं नाश्ते के लिए जैम और ब्रेड खाती हूँ. Here jam, bread and breakfast. Both these words are things. So we have to underline these words. Number 3. I saw a kangaroo in the zoo. मैंने चिड़ियाघर में एक कैंगरू देखा. In this sentence, kangaroo is an animal and zoo is a place. So we have to underline these both words. Number 4. The policeman is standing on the road. Here, policeman is a person and road is a place. So we have to underline these both words. Number 5. The kite is flying in the sky. आसमान में पतंग उड़ रही है. Yes, kite is a thing. पतंग एक चीज का नाम है. So we have to underline it. And see, SKY, sky. Sky is a place. So we have to underline it. पतंग कहाँ उड़ रही है, कौन सी जगह पर उड़ रही है? Sky. Now see number 6. My teddy bear is brown in color. मेरा teddy bear पूरे रंग का है. In this sentence, teddy bear and color both are things. एक खेलने का वस्तु है, किसी चीज का नाम है. So we have to underline both these words. Number 7. My sister is 2 years old. मेरी बहन 2 साल की है. Sister is a person, so underline this word. Here, ears is a common noun, but observe carefully that ears is not a person, place or an animal. It is a thing. So, we underline the word ears. Number 8. The lion is the king of the jungle. शेर जंगल का राजा है. Here, lion is an animal. Underline this word. And jungle is a place. एक जगह का नाम है जहाँ पर शेर रहता है. तो हम जंगल वर्ड पर भी अंडरलाइन करेंगे. Here, king is also a name. So we have underlined it. See number 9. The tailor is sewing a dress. दर्जी ने एक पोशाक सिली है. Underline tailor word because tailor is a person, and also underline the word dress because dress is a thing. Number 10. My mother made biryani for dinner. मेरी माँ ने मेरे लिए बिरयानी बनाई है. In this sentence, biryani is a thing. खाने की चीज़ है. So underline it. And mother is a person. So we have to also underline this word. Now see dinner. Here, dinner is a common noun. But observe carefully that dinner is not a person, place or an animal. It is a thing. So underline the word dinner also. Number 11. This shirt is dirty. Shirt ganda hai. Here, shirt is a thing. So underline this word. Shirt एक कपड़ा है. कपड़ा एक पहनने का वस्तु है. Now come to the last number. The water in the jug is cold. जग में पानी ठंडा है. Here water and jug, both these words are things, so we have to underline them. पानी भी एक चीज़ है. हम क्या पी रहे हैं? पानी. और पानी किस में है? जग में. तो जग भी एक वस्तु का नाम है. Now come to the exercise B. Circle the naming words. Write them in the correct columns. सर्कल के नामकरण को सही कॉलम में लिखें. Number 1. राहुल and रितु were coming from school. राहुल और रितु स्कूल से आ रहे थे. In this sentence, Rahul, Ritu both are person and see school is a place. So we have to circle both these words and write Rahul, Ritu in the column of people and school in a place column. Now see number 2. The little girl was playing in the park. छोटी लड़की पार्क में खेल रही थी. Here girl is a person and park is a place. Both are naming words, so circle them and write in the correct columns. Number 3. Myra went to her village for the holidays. She saw many animals. Her grandmother showed her a cow too. The cow gave milk every day. मायरा छुट्टी के लिए अपने गांव गई थी. उसने कई जानवरों को देखा. उसकी दादी ने उसे एक गाय दिखाई जो हर दिन दूध देती थी. In this sentence, let's find out person. See, Myra and grandmother both are person, so we have to circle these words. Write these words in the column of people. Now see village मतलब गांव. गांव एक जगह का नाम है. So we have to write it in the column of places. Now see cow. Cow is an animal. Okay. Write COW cow in the column of animals. Milk. Milk is also a thing, so we have to circle it and write it in the column of things. Number 4. Arjun has a pet cat. Her name is Lucy. Lucy sleeps on the couch. अर्जुन के पास एक पालतू बिल्ली है. उसका नाम लूसी है. लूसी कोच पर सोती है. Here Arjun is the name of the person, so write Arjun in the people column. Now see Lucy. Lucy एक बिल्ली का नाम है. So we have to write Lucy and cat, both these words, in the column of animals. And बिल्ली कहाँ पर सोती है? कोच पर सोती है. तो कोच एक सोफ़ा है. सोफ़ा एक वस्तु का नाम है. So we have to write the word coach in the column of things. Now come to the last number 5. Father bought a pink bicycle for Riya. Riya rode it in the neighborhood. Riya loves her bicycle. पिता ने रिया के लिए गुलाबी साइकिल खरीदी. रिया ने इसे पड़ोस में सवार किया. रिया अपनी साइकिल से प्यार करती है. Here, father, Riya, both these words are person. So we have to write in the column of people. Now see bicycle. Bicycle is a name of thing. So we have to write in the column of things and circle all these words also. And see neighborhood. Neighborhood is a place. Circle it and write it in the column of places. Students, you have to learn and write these exercises at home.